Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we have something pretty damn cool to show you. We're having the Retrobit Generations. So I bought this one secondhand from the local Marktplaats, how they call it here. And the reason I just searching for cool products to review. And I came across this one. And what I understand, also noticed some comments when putting this in the community bar. Some of you did say this is the old version. That's highly possible. This one is imported from Japan itself. And this one contains a lot of shoot 'em ups. So that is a thing that's pretty damn awesome. I love shoot 'em up and beat 'em up games. So that is one of the reasons I just wanted to show you. The question is, what are we going to get? How is the controller? This one comes with one controller, so there's a little bit of a bummer. And it's more like, what are we going to get, people? Yeah, it got HDMI. Here you can see already some titles on it, like R-Type. So I'm very curious. I'm already very hyped when seeing R-Type. So right, I cannot read the rest of the information. Maybe some of you can. But let's unpack and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so it comes with one controller. A little bit of a bummer. It's USB, so I'm guessing you can use other controllers. It has a very long, it's a thin cable. It is a very thin cable, but it is a very long cable. It's a Sega Mega Drive 6-pad model. I really like this model. The controller itself, the touch is nice. Looks like a pretty decent controller. So I'm very curious how this is going to play. It comes with an HDMI cable, very long. And of course a power supply, but this one doesn't have a European connection. So I need to have this adapter on it. It comes not with the system because this is for the Japanese market. Right, so how much voltage is this? It's 5 volt, 1000 milliamp. So, alright, so let's take a close look at the system itself. So here at the front we are finding two USB connections. And we're having here the power button. Let's turn it to the right, there's nothing over here. And at the back we are finding HDMI, RCA out, input for the power supply. And we can even add an SD card, so that's pretty interesting. Alright, so it's quite heavy for a very tiny system. So this is what you're going to get. We're going to connect it through HDMI on my Elgato. And let's see, what are we going to get? Alright, so let's boot it up. Very curious how long it's going to take to load up the system. Or load up the full software, including the games. And there it is. Alright, let's do a little scroll through the menu. Very nice tune in the background, I like it. There are some games I know, but there are a lot of games I don't know. Okay, let's see, of course R-Type, I know R-Type. Even including Leo, that's pretty cool. I'm very curious how this one is going to play. Okay, short list. There are not many games on this thing, pre-installed. So, let's play. Okay, you need to press the little mode button for credit. Okay. Okay, you're pushing it forward and going faster. Alright. Ooh. The buttons on this thing are pretty clickish, but you can hear, of course. There was something I needed to do, but I have really no clue what, so whatever. Okay, pressing the select and the coin button, that gives you the menu. Pressing start again on the last one, gives me the option to go back. Alright, chameleon. Pressing B goes back if you don't want to choose the game. Oh, that's cool. this is a really cool game. Ooh, that doesn't sound... That sounds not normal. Whoa! Oh, I have to beat him up. What the hell for game is this? Ow. Ow. What the hell? Oh, you just need to kick him in his face. Alright. That makes sense. Time for my very favorite type game. I'm curious how this thing is going to run. Sound is not perfect.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oof. I have seen way better emulation when it comes to this game. Okay, so I don't want to do a quick comparison with Hdmi from the order box with HDMI output. And
how can I launch
personally, I think the emulation on the Retrobit is not perfect. Okay, let's do a side-by-side comparison so we can see the difference.
I'm missing the button for launching my pod. So I don't know how this is possible. So I'm guessing they didn't map my buttons correctly.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the Retrobit generations. Okay, this is more like, I'm guessing more like a Japanese exclusive. Correct me if I'm wrong. I really like the collection of games, not the biggest collection. I know there's a 100 plus edition out there. If this is an old and a new one, it doesn't even really matter. It's a very unique collection and I really love the system itself, how it looks. And yeah, they did a really great job. That you can choose from SCA or HDMI, that's really cool. The signal output, if you play on HDMI, it's not the best. I did a small comparison with R-Type Leo, and you can see on the other system it looks a little bit better. The frame rate is better. So if you look at the overall the overall quality of the device, if you look at the signal output, it's not the best. So, but this is my personal opinion. Alright, the controller itself, it's cool. Please people, just doesn't matter what version you have, just give 2 controllers. 1 controller is a little bit of a bummer. The controllers play pretty well. Very surprised. Yeah, so the rest of the controllers, I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, to conclude this video, I hope I can review in the future more of these systems. I really love to check them all out. Let me know what you think of this. Would you even consider buying something like this? Let me know in the comments. Please let me know. I really love to know. So yeah, if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. And if you're not one of the Wicked family, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell because you get updates of all new Wicked content. Alright. Yep, that's it. Nothing more to say. I'm going. Bye bye. Woohoo!